Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
การน้องทำไมยูด All India Trinamool Congress หากสิ่งสัจจานกับเฉพาะตรีอุณายลัวอาร์จาร์อาร์พูอาร์กลับเป็นกุบุรมจากพันนองลัน Excellency Award อาร์จาร์อาร์พูอาร์ยากีสันพุสันเงินกีสัมลาปุลีกีบชงภาษาอิชน้องกีบหาบอปกจิลลี่จงกับน้องทำไม Constituency กีบลาปาสบาหากีเอ็กซ์เมนแบบเพร์กีบกันทุบนาดูกับ SSLC HSSLC บัด degree level หากนี้ก็สิ่งละสามีคุสนามชากิSamla Pule ดาว MLA จงกันน้องทำไม Constituency บัด Charles Pynkup อุบลาลงกุมกองสันริงกัดกระจิงดอนลังจงอุรังบัชน้องกันน้องเรมฮิลส์อุบะบันเทลีนารีอุรังบัชน้องกันลุมปัตเงินอุบะ MS บาเรอุรังบัชน้องกันลุมปังะอุบะ S ตะลังอุรังบัชน้องกันเดมทริงอุบะปีตะคาร์อุรังบัชน้องกันน้องเครียมอุบะบีเครียมกีกิมิกิปาจงขณะสกุลบัดกิSamla Pule เลมบัดกิเว
Congo. We are giving these three samplings.
Where are very important in the life of a young man or woman, especially student. And these two areas, one is career and one is behavior. These two things are very important in life, not only for students, but for all of us. Though of course we have finished a career, Bashar will be starting. So career is very important. But how do we develop this career? There are three things which we should do. One is we plan, we have a vision, what we will have, what we aim in life. That is one thing. Any person should have an aim in life. Sometimes you may ask a student, what is your aim? What do you want to become? Some have an aim. I want to be an engineer, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a social worker. But some are blind, they don't have any aim. All students should have an aim in life. And with that goal, we impart ourselves, we improve ourselves so that we achieve that goal. The next one is actually the behavior. So when it comes to career, we plan, we have patience, we should have patience so that we achieve that career, that plan of ours. And the third is perseverance. Sometimes we give up, but we should persevere. I hope we understand what this means. We fought for it. Whatever obstacle comes in our way, we fought. That's what is perseverance. So, for a career planning, we need patience, and we need perseverance. Now, coming to behavior, how do we improve our behavior, or we train our behavior, or in other words, our attitude? Now, there are three things which, as young people, we are involved in our behavior or attitude. They are the eyes, the ear, and the fingers. The eyes. With the technology which is going rampant nowadays, social media and all this, how we use our eyes in the screen, what type of program we see, it affects our attitude, our behavior, right? And how we use our fingers, sometimes we shift channel with the fingers, that also depend on or influence our attitude and our behavior. And the third one is the ear, the eyes, the fingers and the ear. How we hear. Gossiping is one way which influences influence attitude and behavior. So we should be able to use these three things: eyes, fingers, and ears. And the secret to use them is three things again. If anything comes to your mind, or to your eyes, or to your ear, or to your finger, pause. Pause. What can I do for this? What is my response to this? After you have paused, then you ponder. You ponder. What will be my response? How shall I deal with this? And the third one is replay. These three things which influence our life: pause, ponder, and pray.
Congratulations, very Congratulations. Big round of applause. Congratulations, JJ. Congratulations. Of the award, can you post a photograph with those who gave you the award? Please, we'd like to have a photograph. Congratulations. Big congratulations, man. Congratulations, Sumit. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations, Priyansha. Congratulations, Vivajanai. Congratulations, Sainaba. Congratulations, Kenny Sharonia. Congratulations, Monica. Ajna. Congratulations, Sumista. Congratulations, Mama. Congratulations for him. Congratulations. That's our mother receiving the award on her behalf. Congratulations, Mama.
In their different board examinations. Upon power the James Mongo, the Island Lindo, along with President Jonga, All India Tribal Congress Youth Juvenile Mai, but a long program, Ban Pynkup Burom, Yaki Samla, Kinte with Shibran Kipala, Paspa, having the exam, prepare. I could maybe a the committee, but a shimmy Jim Clay, but Nyaic a program that we will take Samla Jimmy. This is indeed a remarkable feat from your part. We call this the Phan Nonglait Excellency Award 2022. For those of us who don't know about her, she was one of the freedom fighters from the faraway place in the northeast of this country, in the state of Nyaitc, who single-handedly engineered a coup which defeated the British Army way back in the year 1700, if I'm not mistaken. It was a quick thinking and a decision to act that gave our people its freedom. But today, we are on a similar platform and we want to congratulate the students who, through their hard work, have come up to receive this award today. The words of wisdom and encouragement was amply given by our Pynkup, guest of honor. And if each one of us, if we remember those words, I'm sure we will all do well in our own fields of work in the years to come. I remember some wisdom from one of my role models. Her name was Anne Frank. Anne Frank lived during the World War II, where she wrote a book, The Diary of Anne Frank, and how she encountered the Nazis' onslaught and the Holocaust, where she eventually died in one of the concentration camps. She said, how wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. She was also a Phan. She didn't wait to improve the world. I'll tell you a small anecdote about a student. The child went to school and came home that day, and his mother asked him, what did you learn today? He replied, not enough, because I have to go back tomorrow to school. Now today, the government has given us the most dedicated teachers, supporting parents, and best institutions. And we need to take full advantage of this to be a responsible pillar of society. For the achievers who are being felicitated today, I personally congratulate each and every one of you for your hard work and dedication that has enabled you to attain this honor. I also convey my heartfelt thanks to all in the academic and administrative wings in the schools and colleges, as well as the parents of the achievers who have been the principal architects of their respective awards. I can safely assume you have come here to this program to not only put your heads together, but your hearts too. A wise man once said that a person who works with his hand is a laborer. One who works with his hand and brain is a craftsman. But a person who works with his head and his brain and his heart is an artist. So in the sphere of learning and education, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students, you are all artists, aiming to improve the quality of life. But as a person who always feels the pulse of the society, I can say your recognition as a professional will be lightened even more when you seek to improve the quality of life for common man. All of the grand thoughts came from the heart. Benjamin Franklin once said, a wise man from a fool, Benjamin Franklin distinguished, a wise man from a fool with the help of a heart. He said, and I quote, if your heart is in your mouth, you are a fool. If your mouth is in your heart, then you are a wise man. With these few words, once again, I congratulate all the students who have received the awards and the youth body of the All India Criminal Congress under the leadership of Samla for organizing this event and also inviting me to be part of this. Thank you very much.
Congratulations Congress today. On behalf, congratulations on these positive wishes for receiving the award on her behalf. Congratulations, Mom. Congratulations, Ms. Balawan Supram. The award on her behalf. Congratulations, Mom. Congratulations, Mera Rita Bingo. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mom. Auntie, sorry. Congratulations, Mom. Congratulations, Tom. Congratulations. Big congratulations. Congratulations, Mom. Big congratulations to Melissa for being the car switcher. Congratulations, Mom.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.